I picked one of these organizers up. It's a magnetic socket holder. It's supposed to have numbers on the outside to help organize my sockets. And as you can see, I need some help organizing my sockets. Now this is from a lot of different sets, and I have no idea what I'm looking for when I get in here. I just bought this toolbox, like, I think last year. And yeah, I need to get organized. So this thing's got magnets in the bottom of the tray, and I've seen a lot of versions like it, but this one I found online at a good price for 4th of July, so I went ahead and purchased it. It's got 3 sets, the half, the 3/8, and the quarter. So yeah, let me open this up and check it out. Wow, there's a lot inside of that box. Yeah, I like the way the numbers here are on the side. Very cool. That way you're not having to pick them up every time to try to read the numbers. So let me get to organizing. I have tried to organize what I have in this drawer. These are duplicates of what's up here. And you can see I'm kind of missing some sizes. I don't know what is supposed to go in this top row here. I think they're supposed to be deep wells because it goes down to halfway down my pinky on this one. It's got some depth to it. So I tried to put some sockets in there and they kept getting lost. The back row is deeper than the front row on all of these. Deep well sockets is the only thing that fits in this one. But yeah, so, I mean, this did organize my stuff a little bit. I gotta figure out how to get it all in here now. But this definitely helps. Now, one of the things that I liked about the fact that this was advertised as magnets is if I were to move them, they don't fall out. Some people posted like sticking them on something metal like that. I don't need to do that, but it is kind of a neat option. Like if I were to put some metal on the wall and have these mounted, then you could just grab the sizes and easily be able to see like their sizes. And it's a strong magnet. I mean, the whole back is a magnet. But I do like the ability to read what they are and to find what I need a little quicker. So, yeah, that's a good start. All right, thanks for watching. All right, so I got them organized. Still missing some sizes in between here. I don't know that I like the way this is set up. I'm gonna swap these two and these two. I want the bigger trays on the back. Let's do that. There we go. As you can tell, I'm missing a lot of sizes of things that I grab normally. So I'll probably have to look at replacing some of this. I don't use a lot of these deep well things, so I don't know that I need to fill those. Nor do I need a 5/16. I do need a 13/16 once in a while. And then of course some of my metrics I'm really lagging on. I have more of these in a complete set that's over there against the wall, but I kind of like to leave that complete set in case I need to travel with it. So I don't know what to do about all these extras and duplicates if I just put them in a box somewhere out of this drawer for like in case I need an extra of something, or if I just leave them right there. I don't know. Part of the fun of this is figuring it out. So yeah, we're figuring it out. And yes, I am leaving a 10mm on this one because you know why. All right, thanks for watching.